Jack here, and I've got the K&H 96 ounce blue 25 watt thermal pet bowl. And the way I've got this set up is I have it set up as a heated bird bath. Now the reason I'm doing this is a lot of the bird bath products just really didn't have the reviews that this one did. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. I saw someone else online put rocks in there as just another perching spot for the birds. You do have a 5-foot coiled cable. I like the metal wrapped around it. It is really springy and strong. You might want to buy an extension cord. That's how I have it set up, because the 5 feet, depending on where you put it, will probably not be enough to reach your power source. Some people have asked if it's okay if the bowl goes empty, like if you are using it with a dog and someone's actively taking water out of it. Yeah, there's no issues there. It will not overheat or ruin the bowl. You'll be fine. It will stay warm to the touch, but really no issue there. It does not have a 3-prong grounded cord. It is an ungrounded 2-prong cord, so just keep that in mind. And the heating element is not removable, but if you are going to use this in the summer, just unplug it, put the cord off to the side, and everything will be good to go.